How versus what? The idea for this lesson came from a question one of my private students asked me. She wanted to know if I have ever met anyone famous while working as a stuntman. In Toronto, Canada, I worked as a stuntman for 9 years before I moved to Japan in 2006. I got to work with Ving Rhames once. My student wanted to know about the actor. What do you think is a better choice here? How is he? Or what is he like? My student asked me, how is he? I knew what she meant, but how is he is not natural in this situation. A better question would be, what is he like? We spent some time learning how to use the question words how and what in natural English conversation. Keep watching and you'll learn how to use these common words just like a native speaker. Please listen to the following examples. My friend Alex visited Japan from Canada last week. Another friend of mine also knows Alex, but he didn't have the chance to meet him when he was here. He asked me, how is Alex? How is used if you want to know about someone's health or condition. Some common answers. He's good. He's doing great. He was tired. It must be a busy trip. It's also natural to include any current news from the person's life. He's good. He got a new job. He's doing great. He's getting married this summer. He's awesome. He just got his black belt in jiu-jitsu. We also use how to find out about someone's health, especially if they have been ill recently or were injured. Calvin just came home from the hospital after knee surgery. How is he? He has to walk with crutches for a few weeks, but the surgery went well. His knee will be back to normal in a few months. One of Brandon's coworkers tested positive for COVID-19. How is Brandon? He has no symptoms, but he has to quarantine for 14 days. Vocabulary. Symptom. This means a change in your body or mind that shows that you are not healthy. Symptoms include a headache and sore throat. Quarantine is a period of time when an animal or a person that has or may have a disease is kept away from others in order to prevent the disease from spreading. The dog was kept in quarantine for 6 weeks. It's also common to use how to ask about someone's mental or emotional condition. Lisa's grandmother passed away last month. That's too bad. I know they were close. How is Lisa doing? She is sad, of course, but she is doing okay. Let's take her out tonight. She should be around friends during this time. This is the same way you would answer the question if someone asked, how are you? Another friend who has never met Alex might ask me, what is Alex like? What is used when you want to know about someone's character? What kind of person they are? Some common answers. He's nice. Alex is funny. He's really smart. You can also include anything about the person's life that you think is interesting or related to their character. He is cool. He has a black belt in jiu-jitsu. He's funny. We came to Japan together 15 years ago and we had so much fun. He's nice. He works in film and TV. Scene 17, A camera marker. Action! How and what? Other questions. How did Alex look when you saw him? This is used when you want to talk about a person's appearance, haircut, style, etc. Things that can change. He looked great. He lost 8 kilograms. I just saw the boss come into the office. How did he look? Angry! Everyone looked busy. I will meet Alex for lunch tomorrow. What does he look like? What is used to describe someone's physical characteristics like height, weight, eye color, hair color, etc. Things that don't change very often. He is about 175 centimeters tall with short dark hair. How and what questions are not only for people. These question words are commonly used to ask about other things too. How was the concert? This means, how was the experience of being at the concert? I rode the new ride at Disneyland last week. How was it? Compare these how and what questions. How questions can be answered with adjectives that describe condition. How was the movie? It was great. It was boring. The movie was hard to understand. The movie was funny. What questions may need a longer answer? What is the movie about? It's about a man who finds a magic coin. It's a comedy about a couple planning their wedding. The movie is based on the story of Abraham Lincoln. How was your vacation to Hawaii? Amazing. It was great. It was okay, but it rained a lot. What did you do on your vacation? I went shopping every day. We got to swim with sea turtles. It was so much fun. I went to a traditional Hawaiian luau and ate great food. My original conversation with my student went like this. I got to work with Ving Rhames once. What is he like? He was really nice. He seemed to like Toronto. He was thinking about buying a house there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss another great English video. Have a great day.